Warmly welcome and felicitate Honorable the Chief Justice Mr. पवन कुमार मंच पर विराजमान लोकप्रिय विद्वान महाधिवक्ता श्री प्रशांत कुमार शाही जी का हम सभी अधिवक्तागण आपका स्वागत और अभिनंदन करते हैं। I would like to request to come on the dais. Assistant Counsel are requested to assist the Honorable Mr. Justice Rajiv Ranjan Prasad in coming to the stage. हम सभी तालियों से स्वागत और अभिनंदन करते हैं। Now, Honorable the Chief Justice Mr. पवन कुमार माननीय मुख्य न्यायाधीश का स्वागत और अभिनंदन करते हैं। मंच पर विराजमान माननीय मुख्य न्यायाधीश श्रीमान पवन कुमार हेमंता भजंत्री का स्वागत और अभिनंदन करते हैं। उनके ऑनरेबल चीफ जस्टिस पीवी भजंत्री को सम्मानित करते हुए जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत और अभिनंदन करते हैं। I would like to request the learned government advocate Mr. Subhash Prasad Singh to honor the Honorable Mr. Justice Sudhir Singh by presenting him a bouquet. तालियों से स्वागत करते हुए अभिनंदन is requested to come on the dais to honor the learned advocate general Mr. P.K. Shahi by presenting him a bouquet. NIC के सभी पदाधिकारियों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। Now, I would like to request the learned Standing Counsel Mr. Kinkar Kumar to honor the Honorable Mr. Justice Rajiv Ranjan Prasad by presenting him a shawl. Mr. Kinkar Kumar honor Mr. Justice Rajiv Ranjan Prasad. तालियों से स्वागत और अभिनंदन। I would like to request to learned Additional Advocate General Mr. S. Raja Ahmad to honor the Honorable Justice Sudhir Singh by presenting him a memento. To honor the Honorable Mr. Justice Sudhir Singh उन्हें जोरदार तालियों से माननीय न्यायाधीश श्री सुधीर सिंह का स्वागत और अभिनंदन।
Mr. Justice Pawan Kumar Bhimappa Bhajantri, Honorable Chief Justice Patna High Court, Mr. Justice Sudhir Singh, Mr. Justice Rajiv Ranjan Prasad, all the Honorable Judges of Patna High Court, all senior members of the bar, all learned law officers, all learned assistant counsels, friends from print and electronic media. It is indeed a privilege to welcome and felicitate Justice Bhajantri. I am thankful that barely within 2 days, on Sunday, post was administered. Monday I requested for his consent and he readily agreed for this occasion. I am really thankful on behalf of all the officers and on my behalf. On the day of welcome reference, I said about some of the attributes possessed by Justice Bhajantri, which has gone in making him a wonderful and excellent judge. I keep wondering, I was discussing amongst my colleagues, let us take some tips. कौन सा जड़ी बूटी का प्रयोग करते हैं? 10:30 बजे जो टेम्पो रहता है वही 4:15 बजे। Same zeal, same determination, same application. 10:30 से 4:15 तक. And some of us might be feeling difficulty because of underpreparedness. He desires lawyers to be fully prepared to answer questions quickly. And as usual, some of us are lethargic, lazy, on questions being put, go on flipping the pages, and the best way is to seek adjournment for filing supplementary evidence. These are some of the
most of the times. My esteemed brother, Honorable Mr. Justice Sudhir Singh, my brothers and sisters sitting off the dais, the learned Advocate General, senior members of the bar, learned advocates, ladies and gentlemen, I had not come prepared to speak here, but this role has been assigned to me and I happily accept it. I'll only speak about Honorable Mr. Justice Bhajantri. My first acquaintance with him was online. We were in the Indian High Court Judges Group. During COVID period, Mr. Justice Bhajantri made an appeal on the group that his son's friend.
Pranam Shiva Sundar, respected Learned Advocate General Mr. P.K. Shai, brothers and sister judges of my High Court, distinguished law officers, members of the bar, I am deeply touched by the generous words felicitation extended to me today by the Office of the Advocate General. I consider it an honor and solemn responsibility to assume
Justice of the great High Court of Patna, which has a glorious legacy in the judicial and constitutional history of our nation. The Office of the Advocate General has also played a vital role of assisting the court in dispensation of justice, in presenting the viewpoint of the state with a fair and candor, and ensuring that balance between the governance and the constitutional right is maintained. I value this institution as an indispensable partner in justice delivery system. As a Chief Justice, my endeavor will be strengthen the foundation of the High Court, transparency, sustainability and efficiency, justice must not only be done
हम फिर निकल जाएंगे, हम पीछे खड़े थे।
अब देखिए आपका मोबाइल ही गड़बड़ा रहा है। नहीं